Fish cakes! I've lost the scent back to camp. Dad? Dad? Anyone? Oh!
Oh, Flix. I looked everywhere. Where did you go?
I followed my nose.
I was worried, Flix. I'm just glad you're okay.
All wildcats to the catenators. Repeat, can all wildcats make their way to the catenators?
Time to find out if Wildcats is really for me or not.
The fastest cat to climb their tree will receive a Wildcat's Wilderness badge. Ready? It's the Catinator, not the Doginator.
The Doginator? Yeah, I'm a dog. I need to be a wildcat, the dog way. I'm dog of the world!
Oh, rats! Not again!
Wow. My son, the Wildcat.
Whoa, Flix, well done!
Awesome!
Way to go, Flix.
You climbed a crummy tree. So what? You'll never be the ultimate outdoor cat.
Give me the ultimate challenge, then. I can do anything. Burma, do you have mice for brains? It's against the rules to go near the water.
The ultimate outdoor cat doesn't follow any rules.
You fuzzy furball!
Ha! So you do want to race?
Eat my waves!
Flix, help!
Ha! I'm not falling for that!
I can't swim!
No wildcat gets left behind!
Oh, double rats!
Wildcats! Looks like someone is up the creek without a paddle.
Flix! Is he rescuing Burma Fang?
Now that's the ultimate outdoor cat.
Thanks for saving me, Flix.
That's okay. Any wildcat would have done the same.
Here you go, Flix. You've earned it.
The ultimate outdoor cat. Just like you.
Wildcats, please raise your kipper s'mores to Flix!
To Flix!
Hey, puppy dog. Now that you're the ultimate outdoor cat, how about a new name?
How about Flix, the claw crawl?
Flix, can do crawl?
Flix, waterfall crawl?
Ah, I like it.
No, I know. Flix, doginator crawl. This plan is going just like clockwork. Yes, interesting. Very interesting. I see. Oh, yes. This clock is totally kaput.
It's a Crawlmeister design, an early patent, with a counterbalanced sync system. Impressive.
Oh yeah, special crawl design and the, sinky thing you said.
We should unlock that lever, but it's a bit out of reach.
Say no more. Unlock this lever, you say?
Wait, I think Tabby said this one.
Too late. But that's done something? Oh, hey! Keep your cogs to yourself. Whoa!
Flix!
Help! Tabby! Munchkin! No, this is good. I like it. Cozy. I'll just stay here. At least I'll always know what time it is. Hey, anyone for tennis?
Tennis balls in a clock.
This must be why the clock never bonged.
Hold on tight, Flix. We're going to reverse you out.
Flix, you fixed the clock!
Not quite. Get ready. This is it. This place is gonna bong!
That doesn't sound quite right.
We're going to be dog zombie food if we don't fix this.
Hold on. The tennis balls aren't clogging up the system. They are the system!
A Crawlmeister design always did contain a surprise element.
But tennis balls in a clock? Why?
We've got to find out. Oh, just like a tennis overhead smash. Clock set and match. Our work here is done. Mom! Were you following us the whole time?
Of course. Had to make sure nothing bad happened to my precious pug. But I'm also on special assignment. The Marrowbone want the inside scoop on the clock tower.
Well, here it is. We fixed the clock tower.
It was jammed with tennis balls.
Only because the levers were stuck. The tennis balls are part of the special design.
Grandad Crawl always said he had a surprise for the dogs in the clock tower, but they never got to see it until now. You might not be a cat or a clockmaker, but you are a crawl with a famous reputation.
Some things do run in the family.
I've got my exclusive for the Marrowbone, thanks to you, Flix. You've cleared our name. National Dog Day is all yours.
Maybe us cats should get back to Cat Town. I get the feeling that we don't belong around here.
Oh, yes, we do. We saved National Dog Day. So let's stick around and have fun like the dog cat supremos we are.
Oh, time for a fixorama.
Maybe leave the new words to me.
One of you put your paw there?
I got it! I said I got it!
No, I want to do it.
No, I want to do it!
I said I got it.
I said I got it.
Oh, come on, let me do
No.
it. No! Good news. The swing needs even more fixing now.
Maybe we should all do our own thing. Like, I'll find someone that likes to howl as much as me.
I could try to find someone who wants to stargaze.
And I'll find someone to fix things with.
This is gonna be howlsational. Howlificent. Forget it. It'll be great. Howling partner auditions. This will get the word out. Perfect.
One ticket for the movie starring the pug in the funny jumper.
The next cat I see will be my stargazing buddy. What? Oh!
What? If you want to study greatness, at least take notes.
Not bad. Not bad at all.
So, we did it.
You sure did.
We got the part.
Yep.
Yes, we are going to be in a movie.
You get to howl with me. Wait, what?
We were auditioning to be in a movie, weren't we?
No, you were auditioning to be my howling partner. It lets you unleash your inner dog from within. Oh!
Yeah. No. Why?
Why not? Don't you like to fix things? I bet there's all sorts of stuff to fix in Dogtown.
Are you saying Dogtown's broken?
What? No! I just meant it'll be fun.
Fix this.
That's a rock.
I'm hungry.
Oh,
Are you coming?
yep, absolutely. I'm hungry too. Food'll fix that.
Yodelay. Yodelay.
Yodel what he
Needs more oomph. Yodelay.
Yodel ho hee how.
That is not it.
I'll have you know that was a perfect yodel. Just in the key of confusion. Never mind. Next!
Did you know Venus is called the morning star because it's the easiest planet to see in the daytime? So maybe I could take a peek.
I knew it! It's right there! Literally plain as day!
Huh? What is?
The cheese! The cheese! The moon is cheese!
I'm pretty sure the moon is the moon.
Ha! I see the truth with my own cat eyes. It's cheese!
The moon does have a crust, but it's not made of cheese.
Cheese!
Moon!
Cheese!
Moon!
Cheese!
Moon!
Cheese!
Moon!
Cheese!
Moon! My telescope!
Cheese.
Oh, man.
That was my best apple.
Agreed. But it's missing something. Ah, yes! Tabby would be complaining about my doggy manners, while Munchkin would know the apple's nutritional content.
Oh, should I keep going?
Only if you want me to keep eating.